get a lot of time to think in places like this. You think about everything you said, everything you did that led to this moment. Look, I'm not proud of what I did, but let's be real. There's a lot more people out there like me looking for answers in all the wrong places. So, if my story can help someone, anyone, it's worth telling. My name is Dylan. Where I come from, well, my town's seen better days, you know. After Dad left, me and my sister Rosie had to take care of Mum. Back then, I was full-time in college, but we needed extra cash. So I had a part-time job as well. I didn't have time for football anymore. Friends just stopped texting after a while. Gaming, that was my escape. So one night, I'm playing a team deathmatch. I get this message from a random in game chat. He said I did an awesome job on the mission or something. I could tell he was older, great combat captain. Played PC, like me. He finds me on Insta. I felt like I could trust him. So I told him about Dad. He seemed to get it, took an interest like. One day he goes, out of the blue like, he goes, if Hitler had won the war, Britain would be a better place. Make your own mind up, he said. Sent lots of links of legit looking videos and podcasts, stuff like that. Fast forward 6 months. I've changed. I've shaved my head, got tattoos. Mum's worried. I'm going to meetings, rallies, getting into fights on match day. To train for war to come. That was what they said. Brotherhood, I mean. The war against every refugee, every asylum seeker. Anyone who didn't look like us. One day, my lecturer caught me posting on the Brotherhood socials. Said it was hate speech. That's when Prevent got involved. Police came to college, social services too. They took my phone, my PC. Mum found out. Rosie stopped speaking to me. That was the worst part. I thought I'd be kicked out, get excluded, maybe jail. It was close. Had to go to court, find a solicitor, received a caution in the end. Prevent put me in touch with my mentor Paul. He used to be active in a far-right group as well. Extremist organisations look for vulnerable people to recruit. They give you an enemy to hate, blame all your problems on. So now you know the signs. Look out for your mates. If you see or hear anything that sounds like hate speech, or if you think someone's in danger, report it.